5, 4, 3, 2, 1, watch me. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy.
Won't you move on the floor, on the floor? Won't you move on the floor? But I find a ball, I find a ball. I sing in a party on the floor.
Sanmanan Dumelang, it's your girl Tiyama, well known as Ubanyaza, and today we're so excited because we'll be interviewing Umama Sisom Dala, and oh my god, we're so excited. As a Shilo guys, we're at the Majella family, Zone 4, Epimville. So let's get inside Tipegutibas Pateleni, Asande.
Afoda, belungirize, belungize, lapune, ungakona, akusuke Costa, belungirize, lapune.
So guys, it's your girl Level Love, Incarnate Love, guys, the kingdom herself. So today, guys, we are here to interview Umama Sisom Dala. Over to you, baby girl.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Nabusha Manzana, mostly known as
Malloy.
I'm so excited to be here. Njengoba uBanyaza noNdlebele Ndlovu bashilo ukuthi we are here to interview abazali baka Sisom Dala. But ngitshele umyezane, we are here to motivate, inspire and build the youth. Singamoshela isikhathi singene ngaphakathi.
Mina ngiyamfuna ukubhalisa, mina ngimkhulu ukubhalisa, mina ngamfethu ukubhalisa, wagoze ukubhalisa.
Right, njengoba sesingaphakathi. Hi ma, unjani? Sivakashile namhlanje emndenini wakwaMajela.
Okay, ngiyamamkela umndeni kaMajela ngiyangena mhlanje phansi.
Siyabonga. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ma for ukusamkela emndenini wakwaMajela. This is such a beautiful home. We are 7 days away from umhlonyane kaSisom Dala. Thina as umyezane simazi ngoSisom Dala. Ngabe kuwe ungubani?
Mina umama kaBhalisa, Bhalisa mntanami, she's 19 years old. Wazalela iKosi. Okay, ngamzala nge-27th kaNovember. Beki premature. Then uhlalile esibhedlela isikhathi eside. Quiet girl, umuntu ongathanda ukukhuluma, shy.
From a premature to a 19-year-old, truly God is good indeed. Ngabe igama lakaPhalisa liphuma phi kanjani and liminani?
Bhalisa lisho ukuthi imbali. Ngamupha imbali ngoba uNkulunkulu wabanaye. From eqaleni aqeda ukuzalwa until ICU waphuma uBhalisa njengoba sekangaka ngamphi igama likambali uNkulunkulu bekanami from eqaleni until azabengaka.
Ngiyakuzwa mama uthi beka premature baby, but what are the challenges you faced ekumkhuliseni when she was still a tender baby until manje where she is today?
Sure. Bekwenzima because bekumele ukuthi ngishiye esibhedlele yase-ICU. Ngibuye ekhaya bekungalali ubusuku. Bekwenzima because ngishiya umntwana kusasa mawubuya mothi yabuya abantwana abanye bathi bashonile. Kade abasipraying because ngazi ukuthi usenoNkulunkulu. Lapha khona yazi ukuthi la khona unoNkulunkulu because ne support kamama nganayo. And then kuyenzeka ukuthi kumele ukuthi ngeke score ku-matric. Because ku-matric when ngikubhalisa. You go every time ngibatshela ukuthi umntwana usesikolweni is not right. Funde, qeda isikolo and then bese uzokhona ukwenza izinto zakho. Angithi okay sharp. Then ngiyobhalisa maphuma esibhedlele ICU, ngamele ngihlale naye wodi. Ubisise wodi 20, hleli noBhalisa, Bhalisa mele ngumcheck khangaho. Mele angakhohlwa ukuphefumula because akafiki before isikhathi. Makakhohlwa ukuphefumula bekumele ukuthi ashaye. And leyo pain kimi bekunzima ukuthi young child umntana omncane kangaka ushaywa njengomuntu omdala ukuthi akhona ukuphefumula abuye yabo. Then Bhalisa wakhula, sabuye ekhaya wakhula. Bhalisa primary wafunda eMdela Hlongwane. After Mdela wafunda wayiMusi High. Wafunda eMusi High waqeda matric wakhe eMusi High. Wathi mama ngifuna ukungena waseseMusi High, wathi mama ngifuna ukungena ikhwaya kaMemkhona. No, like bengingumama uthi bengafuni ngisitshela ukuthi ish mntana ngizomitha abantu phuma late esikolweni ayifamily afane nami bengi-street ngendlela ukuthi bengafuna ukuthi okay thi ngiphe chance afunda wayenza ikhwayime uPalesa eMkhongo wangena kamatshitshi nakhona umatshitshini bengi-street nakhona ngingafuni uthi ish mntanami uzomitha esikolweni futhi nafane nami benzima futhi but Palesa wayitshela ukuthi empilweni yami kanti uyangizwa Palesa eMkhongo nawe uyangimamela umntana omamelayo wangena ndamatshitshi until now 19 years uqedile umatric usangena amatshitshi manje Palesa use-college still a virgin.
As Indlovukazi usually affirm us ukuthi we are generational curse breakers, and we can see ukuthi uSiso Mdala is breaking curses in a family.
Hold that thought, Banyaza. Ngicela siyoza what uNdlebele Ndlovu has to say for us. Asambe.
What an inspiring woman uMama kaPalesa she is. From ukhuliseni umntwana from premature to age akuyona. Istress abenaso, but with God, ukwazile to conquer with that. But anyways, let's go back to Malo and hear what she has to say.
Thank you so much, Ndlebele Ndlovu. This is truly an inspiring story, Mama. Ngiyathemba ukuthi ndezwe ukuthi umama uyasho ukuthi uSisi Omdala uyamlalela mekakhuluma. Nani babukela makhaya ngiyathemba ukuthi abomama beni bebakhuluma niyabalalela. All right, Mama, how do you feel that your daughter is a virgin at the age of 19 years old?
Yo, I'm happy. Kakhulu, yo, I'm happy because angizimagine nje ukuthi inkukhu umntana kube ejengweni. Angifuni nje ukuthi futhi afane nje nami ufuna afunde qede my dreams wakhe nje. Yabo. Yeah. So angifuni I'm happy.
Awu sejabula mama boy.
As Umaloyi ashilo ukuthi umhlonyane is in 7 days. Mama, how do you feel and how the preparations going for umhlonyane kaSiso Mdala?
Yo happy ngazi ngathi ngagibela phezulu ayishi nje nomama ngathi angabakhona azobona nje isizukulu sakhe dala like ayimele lento so ngithulile happy angazi nje ukuthi ngathini kodwa nje yazi okukhulu nje uNkulunkulu ngimthole thank you bambela abantwana bethu till baze bayiphathe kuze bafike nje kule age abuye intanga zakhe manje uPalesa yo nabantwana but happy guys.
I can really attest about Indlovukazi, such a beautiful woman. But Mama, what message do you have to Ababukeli Amakhaya about purity, and what message do you have about Umyezane?
Okay, boyintombazana bamuliphathe. First thing, teenage pregnancy is not right, guys. School, bafana bazokukhohlisa bakushiye nomntwana into ehlale ngibatshela ukuthi umfana uyakhona e-university akamithi umfana wena uzokusala nomntwana ahamba yifuna abafundi abafana naye bafundile bafana naye le university wena usele ubhebhe umntwana i-future yakho seyiphelile.
Thank you for your time, Ma. Such an inspiring story. I'm really touched. Asami nisobuza emnganini kaPalesa ukuthi uPalesa umngani onjani?
Because sonke siyazi uPalesa ekhaya noPalesa ngaphandle akufani.
Oh yes, I agree, Maloyi. Abangani basazi kangcono more than our parents do. Over to you guys. Asambe.
Thank you for your time and welcome to Umyezane Talk Show. Can you kindly introduce yourself?
Okay, good day, good afternoon, how are you? So Kamalami Charity, I'm Palisa's best friend. So mina ngikhule kahle no Palesa since from our childhood. Sikhule together and then Palesa, she's such a good soul, umuntu alright, and then umuntu one respect. She has a respect towards her parents. Also nasestrate umuntu alright, so yeah.
I know Uguti, you know uPalesa better than anybody else. So since uPalesa ahamba amachichi, do you think they have an impact on her or not?
Yes, I think it has a positive impact on Palesa because I could say like it's a good thing and it makes me feel so proud about her as she's my best friend. So it's a good thing, it's a good choice, it's a good decision to her. And then like she gives the respect to everybody. So if we're checking in this life or in this generation, in this world, everything. It is easy. Actually, it's teenage pregnancy and other teenage things. It is easy for her to get into those things. But Palisa, I'm so proud of her that she is able to refuse. She knows how to say no to something. Actually, who gets tempted by boys and stuff. So yes.
I won't tell anybody. Does Palisa have any boyfriend?
What I can say right now, I haven't seen any boyfriend so far.
Nizwele babukele emakhaya ukuthi uPalisa is not just a good person emndenini wakhe, but she's also a good friend emnganini wakhe. Thank you for your time and for this incredible interview.
Thank you.
As Indlovukazi usually tells us, Amachiti nomjola ahlangana, and we are seeing ukuthi uSiso Mdala is living by those principles. Uthi you my lord, asizi ukuthi uPalisa bamazi kangakanani.
Oh, with you, my life is so much better. Because I know you're there for me, whatever. Don't matter what we.
Thank you so much, Ndebele. Oh my God, lady of the moment, how do you feel about Umhlonyane Wako coming up in 7 days?
Oh God, I'm very happy. Like I don't believe it's you, guys. I'm believing. And I'm having to like a short game.
So you're gonna play a short game. How well do you know yourself? Okay, what's your favorite color?
Red.
Red, okay. Favorite hobby? Alright. Favorite cooked meal?
Spaghetti.
Alright. And who's your favorite artist?
Scott Mapola.
Okay, thank you so much. Alright, so we're gonna play a short quiz. How well do you know Siso Mdala? What's your favorite color?
Purple.
Favorite hobby?
Oh my God. I can say
Okay, cooked meal, favorite cooked meal?
spaghetti.
Alright. Favorite artist?
Scott Mapuma.
So much to the Magella family. Thank you so much to Siso Mdala and the beautiful best friend Charity.
And that's it, folks. It's a wrap.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Umyezane Talk Show. Bye.